Hi friends, now I am going to discuss mathematics. In this mathematics, first topic is matrix. Because of having less time, I explain very briefly. Okay, please follow. First one, in the matrix, first is what is order of matrix? Order of matrix. The number of rows and columns present in the matrix is called order. That is, order is m by n. It is denoted order equal to m by n. M is the number of rows and n is number of columns. Okay. Coming to the type of matrices. First one, rectangular matrices. Rectangular matrix. When the number of rows and columns are not equal, then it is called as rectangular matrices. Number of rows and columns not equal, then it is the matrix is called rectangular matrix. Square matrix. When the rows and columns equal, then it is called square matrix. Row matrix. When in the matrix only one row, then it is called row matrix. When only one column, then it is called column matrix. Null matrix. All the elements of a matrix are equal to 0. In a matrix, when all the elements are 0, then it is called as null matrix. Okay. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means here, for example, A equal to some matrix elements. In this is called as diagonal. This cross section is called as diagonal. That means first element in first row, second element in second row, third element in third row. This is diagonal. For diagonal matrix, except diagonal elements, all remaining elements are 0, then it is called diagonal matrix. For example, A equal to some matrix. The principal diagonals in the matrix are first element in first row, second element in second row, third element in third row. The principal diagonals are 7 to 8. Okay. Next, scalar matrix. What is a scalar matrix? All the diagonal elements are equal. Then the remaining elements are 0. Then it is called scalar matrix. But exception is the diagonal element is not equal to 1. If the diagonal element is equal to 1 and all the remaining are zeros, then it is called unit matrix or identity matrix. In case of order 2 by 2, in case of order 3 by 3. All the elements in diagonal are 1, remaining all are 0, then it is called unit matrix. All the diagonal elements are equal, that means 2, 3, 4, 5, except 1, remaining all 0, then it is called scalar matrix. Okay. Next one, triangular matrix. Triangular matrix are mainly two types, upper triangular and lower triangular. Okay, in case of upper triangular, below the diagonal elements, all the elements below the diagonal are 0, then it is upper triangle. Above the diagonal all are equal to 0, then it is lower triangular matrix. Okay. Next, algebra of matrix, that means addition and subtraction, multiplication. Okay. Coming to the addition of matrix is possible when order of A and B matrix must be same. That means if order of A is 2 by 3, then order of B also must be 2 by 3. Okay, then only addition of matrix possible. For example, A and B, the order of matrix is 2 by 3. This order of matrix also 2 by 3. So addition A plus B equal to first element plus first element, second element plus second element, third element plus third element. In this way, here also 4 plus 10, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 4. That is the addition of matrix. Next, properties of addition. A plus B equal to B plus A and A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. K into A plus B equal to Ka plus Kb. Likewise. Okay, properties. Next, subtraction of matrices. Subtraction also same. 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 2 minus 4. Okay. Scalar multiplication. That means matrix is multiplied by any scalar or nothing but any constant. That is k into, if for example A equal to 2, 3, 5, 4, k equal to 2 into k, 3 into k, 5 into k, 4 into k. So each element multiplied by constant. Next, multiplication of matrix. Multiplication of matrix is very important. For multiplication, for possible of multiplication, in case of multiplication, for example, A is a one matrix, B is one matrix. For possible of AB, if for example if this order is 2 by 3, this order is 3 by 2. Okay, for AB, there is must be in first matrix the columns are equal to the second matrix. In first matrix, columns of first matrix are equal to the rows of second matrix. Then only multiplication possible. And the remaining multiplication AB order is the remaining 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Okay. For example, A and B. For multiplication, this is multiplication process is, if we take first matrix as in this way, okay, columns, then multiply with this rows, okay, or we take rows, then multiply the second matrix is columns. Okay, for example AB equal to 0 into 1 plus 1 into 2. If we take rows, then multiply with columns. For second one, for this 0 into 0 plus 1 into minus 3. Okay, for if we take second one 2 3, multiply with 1 2, and 2 3 0 minus 3. This is the answer. Okay, but in here multiplication, AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. Okay. Next, if A matrix order 2 by 2, B matrix 2 by 3, then AB equal to 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 to equal. So matrix multiplication is possible. So the order of AB is remaining 2 by 3. Case of 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, but 2 is not equal to 3, so multiplication is not possible. These are the properties. Okay, properties are important but very easy. Okay, next, for example, some example problems. If A given and A square equal to 0, find K. A square means nothing but A into A. Multiply both A into A, and 0 means 0 matrix, and equal this, we can get K. Next one, matrix multiplication. Here A is given, B is given, multiplication. That means if we take 1 0 4, multiply with 5 2 1, 0 minus 1 2, multiply with each one. Okay. Transposition of matrix. Transposition of matrix nothing but interchange of rows and columns. Interchange of rows and columns. That means, for example, A is a one matrix, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So interchange of rows into columns. That means 1 2 3 4 as column, 1 2 3 4 as column. Next 5 6 7 8 as column. So order is reverse. 2 by 4 means reverse of order, that is 4 by 2. The properties, these properties are very important. A transpose whole transpose equal to A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. K into A transpose, there is for scalar there is no transpose, so K into A transpose. A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Okay. This property is very important. AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, for in case of ABCD whole transpose, first of all D transpose into C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. Okay. Next, symmetric matrix, very important. If A transpose equal to A, then it is called symmetric matrix. Okay. Skew symmetric matrix. A transpose equal to minus A, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. The important point in skew symmetric matrix, if A is a skew symmetric matrix, in all the diagonals are must to be 0, then only A transpose equal to minus A. Okay. Next, determinant of a square matrix. Very important. Determinant of a square matrix. For example, 2 by 2 matrix, the determinant that A equal to AD minus BC. AD minus BC. For example, 3 5 2 4, that AD 3 into 4 12 minus 5 into 2 10, that equal to 2 answer. Next, minor of an element. Minor of element means nothing but det of that particular matrix, that particular element. For example, here minor of 5 equal to just strike of the row corresponding to that and the column corresponding to that element. Okay, the remaining 1379 find det. 1 into 9 minus 7 into 3 21, that is minus 12. So minor of element 5 is minus 12. For example, minor of element 6. For this, the row corresponding to that element, the column corresponding to the element are strike off. The remaining part is 1 to 7 8. Find det. 1 into 8 minus 7 into 2 14, that equal to minus 16. Okay, this is cofactor of an element. It is the formula. Okay, please remember this. Next, expansion of determinant. That means if the order is 3 by 3, then the formula is first of all A1 into strike off this A1 row and A1 column, remaining B2 C2 B3 C3. In case of second one, there is must be minus B1, then strike off B1 row and B1 column, A2 C2 A3 C3, A2 C2 A3 C3. In this way, C1 A2 B2 A3 B3, and find out this det. Okay, for example, solve this problem, the answer is 37. Okay, next, properties. These properties are very important, so please note this properties. If determinant is unchanged when the rows and columns are interchanged, it means rows are changed into column and columns are into rows. If the two rows of determinant are identical, then its value is 0. If any two rows are identical or any two columns are identical, the determinant is 0. Here A to B to C to A to B to C to, this second row and third row are identical, so the order is, so the determinant is 0. If two rows or columns of determinant are interchanged, then sign of determinant is changed. If any two rows or any two columns interchange, the sign we kept minus sign before the determinant. This property, if k into some determinant of matrix is multiply with k each, that means if k a1 k b1 k c1, then we can kept k outside, then k into a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b6 c3. Okay, next one. Next, some examples. A given determinant of matrix equal to 0, find out x value. For this, find out the x value. You can get x equal to 0 or 3. Okay, these are some problems. Please. Okay. Next one question. If A equal to some matrix, find out given det A equal to 48, then x, find the det, we can get the x value. Okay, next, the determinant of an orthogonal matrix is the very very important bit. The determinant of an orthogonal matrix is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1. And in this question he asked, he has given some matrix, find out minor of minus 2, minor of minus 2, that means this. For this, strike off this column, strike off this row, the remaining is 2 1 3 4. For 2 1 3 1, det 8 minus 3, that equal to 5. Next, if A is given, det A has to find out det A. It is very very easy. Okay, singular and non-singular matrix. If det A equal to 0, then it is singular matrix. If det A is not equal to 0, that is non-singular matrix. If for example problem, if A is singular, find x. A is singular means det A equal to 0. To 0, then find the answer. Next, adjacent of a square matrix. Adjacent of a square matrix means, for example, 2 by 2 matrix, A equal to A, B, C, D, then the adjoint of A equal to D, interchange D, A and D, D, A, and kept as minus, minus B, minus C, D minus B minus C, A. Okay. Next, properties of this adjoint matrix are very very important. If adjoint of K equal to K square into adjoint of A, adjoint of AB equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A, adjoint of null matrix is also null matrix, adjoint of unit matrix is also unit matrix. Okay, next to find out of A inverse. Find out of A inverse. For this, first of all, A inverse is possible when det A or the matrix A is non-singular only. That means det A is not equal to 0 only. For example, find out det A is 1, that is not equal to 0. So A inverse is possible. For this of A inverse is adjoint A by det A. For find out of adjoint A, first we have to find out cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix is nothing but find out the minor of each element. Find out the minor of each element. For minor of 1 is strike off 1 column and 1 row. 3 1 3 0 minus 2 1. Det of 3 0 minus 2 1, 3 minus 0 3. So the answer, so 3 here minus 1, here 2, here minus 2, here 1, here minus 2. For this 0 minus 6, that means plus 6 plus minus 2, it is 5. This is the cofactor, that means cofactor of matrix, nothing but matrix. For this, adjoint of A equal to, for this for 3 by 3 matrix we have to kept minus in the diamond shape. That means minus plus 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 plus. This is the cofactor matrix. Adjoint matrix equal to transpose of this cofactor matrix. Transpose, that means interchange columns into rows, rows into columns. 3 1 2 3 1 2 2 1 2 2 1 2. Okay, this way interchange. Then A inverse equal to adjoint A by adjoint of matrix by det A. This is the answer. Okay. And one example, if A is given, find out adjoint of matrix. Find out adjoint of matrix. Okay. All the best, friends. In the next video I will explain remaining mathematical topics.